Welcome back to another Handyman Land video. Today's video is going to be on the 100-inch Bora clamp edge. So this comes in two pieces, as you can see. It's my first time using this clamp edge or this brand. I made this purchase at Lowe's for about $75. Let's open this up here. The packaging that it came with, as you can see, it has a few steps which are pretty easy to understand. So there are no buttons. It's just, you just slide it and it doesn't go back. But to push it back, you have to lift it and it'll slide on the rail again. So let's see how this thing works. So the other piece comes with these 4 screws. So to connect them, you need to screw it in here. And it only brings these 4 screws, so you might not want to lose them. Well, it's one thing I don't like about it already. The screw started stripping. And I went and got a flathead now instead to try to turn these. I don't know why they were so tight. Wow. Woo! Got it. Well, that was unexpected. You would have thought they put some Loctite or something on there. That was ridiculous. So now I got my screws loose. So I recommend you remove the screws by hand. Don't use a drill gun, because if I would have did that in the beginning, I would have stripped this already. So if you look right in here, that's where you slide your tracks in. Drop your screws in there. Okay, I need a thinner flathead. And I'll just tighten it once I have them all in place. It's not easy when you have sausages for fingers. Okay. So let's slide our clamp to the end. Just so you can see the connection, it's not a perfect seam there. It's about 1/16 of a separation there. So let me find my center. Okay, so I used it to make a perfect straight line, and that worked out fine. So now let's line it up for the circular saw and cut some wood. Let's adjust our blade, but before I do that, I take out the battery. So before locking this in place, you want to make sure you get the measurement from your blade right there. It's 1.5 inches. So I made my mark right here. So I drag it to that point. Come to the other side. Get it right on the line. Push in. Make sure it's nice and tight. Double check you're on your line. Check your other side. Make sure you're on your line. Lock it in place. So that should give us a pretty nice straight cut, as long as our clamp edge doesn't move on us. Okay, looks good. Let's see. Yeah, we're good. I placed my clamp edge in between the boards. See how nice and straight that is. So yeah, I like it. It's worth it. Well, I really like the tool. The only thing I didn't like about it, if you saw in the beginning, the screws were, I already started stripping them. I don't know why they were on there so tight. They should have just came in a little separate baggie, instead of them torquing that down so tight like that, because I stripped 2 of them already. And one advice I give is don't remove the screws, just leave it on there. Hopefully it fits in your work truck or work van, and you don't have to be separating the 2, because eventually you're going to lose a screw, or you're just going to finish ruining those screws. If you were thinking about purchasing this Bora clamp edge, I hope this video helps someone out there. They're not cheap, they're expensive, and I needed one, because the one thing I always hate is when I'm at Lowe's or Home Depot and to ask someone for help to cut a whole sheet like that, you know, it just wastes time. One time I was there 45 minutes and the guy never showed up to the aisle to cut it for me, and it's just frustrating. So this is the best way. It's, you pay the price now, but you save time when you're doing it yourself instead of waiting around for someone to cut it for you. If you're new to the channel, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching another Handyman Land video. I'll see you soon.